How to check property amenities booking.com. In order to check property amenities on booking.com, a guest can view the property page and scroll down to facilities or amenities section to see a complete list of features as well. All you need is just go ahead and launch open the booking.com app onto your device, after which you want to go ahead and look for the property section, or you just want to go to my account, and there you want to go to properties. Or what you could do is you could simply go and scroll down and look for most popular facilities section and select see all facilities. So what you want to do is you could just go ahead and launch open a particular page, and there you just want to go and scroll down. There you will be able to check, you can just go ahead and confirm the email. That means check the email sent by booking.com, which includes listed facilities and meals if applicable as well. And you could also update the amenities, log into extra nets, or you could also tap onto the property tab. You could also select facilities and services to update general amenities, and select room amenities to update specific room features as well. And that is how you can go ahead and check property amenities in booking.com. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.